Alright, boys and girls, today is generator day. My part showed up, the control panel for the Genset. I'm going to install it and see what it does. When I bought my this was missing. So I got the model number and ordered the replacement. This is what she looked like when I got her. So we're gonna go ahead and plug in the panel, charge the battery, see what happens. All right, got the board plugged up. Let's see if we get anything. Click. Alright, so it looks like it blew the 30 amp fuse. Don't know why. YouTube that. Okay, well, we got the Genset to try to spin, so we're gonna go ahead and pull some of these panels off and see what we got. Alright, we got the starter pulled out, and if you could look closely, it looks like the teeth pretty chewed up. So I'm gonna see if I can find a replacement. I bench tested the starter. She jumped right on.